With Valentine's Day just around the corner, you are probably feeling the pressure to ramp up your video content without wanting to spend your entire life manually editing every single clip. Imagine taking one long piece of content and effortlessly transforming it into dozens or even hundreds of tailored short clips, each with a unique hook and caption. You can achieve all of this without needing to sit in heavy professional software like Premiere or After Effects for days on end. Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using Vizard, and why this workflow will completely change how your campaigns perform. Let's be real for a moment. Creating a mountain of ad variations or social media clips the old-fashioned way is an absolute nightmare. You have to hunt for specific moments, painstakingly cut them out, add your text overlays, pick the right thumbnail, export, upload, and schedule everything yourself. Time is quite literally money, and most content creators and marketers simply don't have either of those things to waste on repetitive manual labor. Now it is time to flip that script completely. Instead of manually building 50 versions of basically the same ad, you set up one smart workflow, let the AI handle the heavy lifting, and then simply tweak the final results. That is the entire powerful point of using Vizard for your content repurposing needs. Here is the high-level magic. You upload your long-form video, whether it's a webinar, product demo, or an interview, and Vizard automatically scans for high engagement moments. It extracts those ready-to-post clips, suggests the best hooks and captions, and manages your distribution all in one centralized place. You can finally say goodbye to complicated templates, manual frame-by-frame scrubbing, and juggling 5 different tools just to publish a single week's worth of content. Let me walk you through a practical, repeatable workflow that works perfectly for seasonal pushes like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or Black Friday. You can run this process for just one specific campaign or convert it into a consistent system for your entire year of social content. Step 1 is to pick your long-form source material, such as a product walkthrough, a live stream Q&A, or a podcast episode. The more natural moments and strong statements you have in your source video, the better the AI can identify those viral-worthy clips for you. Step 2 is to upload everything to Vizard and let the system analyze your footage. Vizard scans the footage to find those attention-grabbing beats like laughs, big product reveals, or emotional highlights. You will get a batch of pre-cut clips, each already suggested with captions, a thumbnail frame, and the perfect length for platforms like TikTok or Reels. Step 3 is customizing your templates, but without the headache of professional editing software. Instead of building a complicated template from scratch, Vizard gives you simple tools you can apply to many clips at once. Want to change your intro hooks, overlay text, or the aspect ratio? Set those rules once and apply them instantly across the entire batch. This means 50 variations with different hooks and thumbnails are generated in minutes, not days. Step 4 covers your hook writing and captions, which you can handle in a few clever ways. If you enjoy writing, throw your hook ideas into a spreadsheet or let Vizard suggest them based on the clip's content. You can even run those hooks through ChatGPT to get dozens of variations, then drop them back into Vizard as options. The point is that you don't need to rewrite the video 50 times. You just pair the same clip with different hooks to see what actually sticks. Step 5 is all about multilingual reach and voiceovers. You can generate captions and translated overlays, then pair them with synthetic voiceovers for international audiences. This is massive for brands selling across multiple regions because you can apply a translation layer once and let the system produce localized cuts. Step 6 is to schedule and publish your content efficiently. While many tools leave you to manually upload your clips, Vizard's auto-schedule handles your posting frequency and timing for you. It is like having a mini social media manager working in the background 24/7. Step 7 is where you iterate an A/B test. Change the hook, the thumbnail, or the call to action to see what truly performs best with your specific audience. The beauty is that you didn't create each variation by hand. You just switched a parameter and let the system take care of the rest. Now, let's do a quick comparison with other tools to understand why this approach is superior. After Effects is powerful, but it is slow, expensive, and requires actual design skills to use effectively. Other automation platforms can be powerful for gluing things together, but they come with a high technical cost and fragile integrations. Vizard puts the entire end-to-end flow into one single, streamlined product. It doesn't mean it's a magic wand, but it does drastically reduce the heavy lifting and frees you up to test new ideas and scale. For your Valentine's Day example, upload your hour-long gift guide live stream to Vizard and let it extract 50 strong clips. You can then apply a Valentine's overlay template with subtle hearts and a warm color grade to match the holiday spirit. Generate 10 different hook variations that speak to different audiences like last-minute shoppers or budget gift hunters. Schedule these clips across TikTok and Reels to go out twice a day leading up to the 14th. The results will be a flood of A/B testable assets that you built without spending a single week manually editing. Here are a few quick tips. Source high-quality long-form footage to give the AI the best raw material to work with. Keep a simple naming convention for your files, so you can easily trace which long-form piece produced which clip. Don't over-optimize every single clip. Let the AI do the heavy lifting, then manually refine only your top performers. Think of Vizard not as a replacement for your editing suite, but as the fastest way to prototype and scale your content. You can easily run 50, 500, or thousands of clips if your plan allows, because the workflow scales with you. When you factor in the time saved, the accelerated testing, and the better content cadence, it is an obvious net win for any marketing team. To wrap up, if you want to turn one long video into a flood of tailored social content, the fastest route is using an automated tool. It is the difference between being completely buried in edits and actually running successful tests that improve your performance. If you want help, I can outline a step-by-step checklist for your first 50-clip run. Happy Valentine's Day, and may your content convert and your notifications be full of amazing replies.